Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Write the number in standard form and this is the given number. So we have to write the standard form of the given number. So first of all, let us see how many zeros this number have. So this number has 8 zeros. So also we can write this number as 22 multiplied by 10 to the power 8. Now if we multiply and divide this given number by 10, then the number remains same. So we can write further, we can write this number as 22 divided by 10 multiplied by 10 to the power 9, because the power of exponent are added. 8 plus 1 is 9. So if we write 22 by 10 in decimal form, we can write it as 2.2. So 2.2 multiplied by 10 to the power 9 is the standard form of the given number. So we can say that 2.2 multiplied by 10 to the power 9 is the standard form of the given number.